Immigration ruling today from a federal judge in San Francisco, resulting in a setback for the Biden administration.
The judge blocked an asylum rule the White House put into place after the ending of Title 42. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink is live downtown outside federal court to break this one down for us. Eric.
Well, Sean, Monica, illegal border crossings have been sharply on the decline since Title 42 ended in May. The Biden administration says the policy that was upended today is critical to managing the border. As the Department of Justice looks to appeal now, a local Tucson-based immigration lawyer says this is a win for asylum seekers who are hoping for a better life in our country. When Title 42 ended this spring, the White House revised immigration and asylum policies. One of those new rules disqualifies people from applying for asylum if they have crossed into the U.S. and can't prove that they tried to seek asylum in another country along their journey. Immigration advocacy groups sued, saying that's against the law. On Tuesday, a federal judge dealing the White House a blow by blocking the rule.
We are supposed to be accepting asylum seekers, regardless of whether they have asked for asylum in other countries. That is not what is required under the law.
Mo Goldman is a Tucson-based immigration lawyer.
I have, for example, clients that come from African countries, and their only way to get to the United States is typically through South America. And then they have to travel through sometimes up to about 10 different countries just to get to the United States.
The judge stayed his ruling for 2 weeks to give the DOJ time to appeal.
Nothing has changed. There's a stay, which means that our border enforcement plan remains in full effect. The Department of Justice will appeal the decision and seek and extend the stay.
Last month, Border Patrol agents reported just more than 100,000 illegal crossings at the southern border, the lowest monthly total since February of 2021.
Our border enforcement plan works. It is deterrence, diplomacy, and enforcement. Unlawful border crossing have come down to the lowest that we have seen in the past 2 years.
Having this sort of transit ban basically is, a polar opposite to what asylum law should be allowing.
Now, if the Biden administration appeals, and that is likely, that appeal would be heard by the Ninth Circuit Court up in San Francisco. The federal judge who issued this ruling today, he sits on a district bench in Northern California. Any further legal challenges, and this case could eventually end up before the Supreme Court. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.